All right, for this, it's really a two-part thing. We need to first find the surface area and the volume of the cylinder. Okay, and when you find the surface area, this is only with one base, right? Because the half sphere is covering up the top of it. All right, so our formula for surface area then is going to be B plus pH, right? And then since it's a circle base, our perimeter is really the circumference, so 2 pi r. Okay, so let's find the area of the base first, which is going to be pi r squared, or 81 pi, right? Since if your diameter is 18, your radius here is only going to be 9. 9 squared is 81. So the area of the base is going to be 81 pi. So we're going to take that and add it to 2 pi r, which will be 18 pi, times the height, which is 11. Okay, so we take 18 times 11, gives us 81 pi plus 198 pi. We combine those together. 279 pi is the surface area for the cylinder, not counting the top base. Okay. We're also going to have to find the volume of the cylinder, because this question asks for both surface area and volume. Right? Volume of anything with two bases is just BH. Well, we already found B, so that's 81 pi times the height, which is 11. So my volume is 891 pi. Right? And it says we want to round to the nearest tenth, but we'll just hold off and we'll get that at the very end. All right, next we're going to find the surface area and volume of the half sphere. All right, and like some of the other things we've done, it's easier to just go ahead and find the whole thing and then half it at the end. All right, so surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Right, the radius of that sphere is going to be the same as the radius of the cylinder, so it's 9. So 4 pi 9 squared, 4 pi 81. Right, so we have 81 times 4. So 324 pi would be the surface area of that sphere. But again, we only have half of it. So divide it by 2. So we get 162 pi for the surface area of the cylinder. Or I'm sorry, surface area of the sphere. The volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Right, r is still 9. So 4/3 pi 9 cubed. Right, now on my calculator I have a cubed button. You may or may not. So 9 cubed. Okay, if nothing else, 9 times 9 times 9 is 9 cubed. Okay, so we have 4/3 pi times 729. So then we would just times 4. 729 times 4, and then divide it by 3. So 972 pi is the volume of the sphere. But we only have half of the sphere, so we're dividing that by 2. So 486 pi is the volume. All right, to get a final answer for surface area, we're going to take the 279 pi from the cylinder and add to that the 162 pi of the half sphere. Okay, and that's going to give us 441 pi the answer, as it asked over here, is to the nearest tenth. So 441 times pi would give me roughly 1,385.4 feet squared for my total surface area. For your total volume, 891 pi plus 486 pi. Right, gives you 1,377 pi, or roughly 4,325.9, which would be 26.0, and that would be feet cubed since it is volume.